How to add more than 10 photos on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add more than 10 photos on your Instagram post. So as you can see on my screen that there is this post which has 12 photos in it, and I will show you how you will be able to create these kind of posts for yourself. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just see whether there is any update pending on your Instagram account or not. As you can see that there is an update pending on my Instagram. So just simply go ahead and update your Instagram account to the latest version, and as soon as it is done, just simply open your Instagram account, and in order to add post on your Instagram, just simply click on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen. So as you can see that this particular post has 40 photos attached to it. So just simply click on the plus icon right here, and after that just simply select the photos or the videos that you would want to add, and click on this add option icon. And now just simply go ahead and start selecting the pictures that you would want to add on your Instagram account, and just keep on selecting the pictures. So as you can see that I have reached the limit, and as soon as you update your Instagram account, you have to wait for some times. As soon as the Instagram update will be fully in your Instagram account, then you will be able to simply add more photos than 10. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to add more than 10 photos on Instagram post. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.